3 divided by 1/3 divided by 3. Fractions plus multiple divisions. This is where math dreams go to die. Here's what most people do. They see 3 divided by 1/3 and think, 3 divided by 1 is 3, divided by 3 is 1. The answer is 1. That's not how fractions work. At all. 1/3 is not 1, it's a third, and dividing by a third means multiplying by 3. Watch this carefully. 3 divided by 1/3. Flip the fraction, that becomes 3 times 3, which is 9. Now 9 divided by 3 equals 3. The answer is 3, not 1, not 9, 3. 2 operations, 2 chances to mess up. First, you have to remember that dividing by a fraction flips it. Then you have to go left to right. Most people fail at step 1 and never even get to step 2. Fractions are the final boss of basic math. If you beat this one, you're ready for anything. Leave a like if you learned something, subscribe, and let's tackle more fraction nightmares together.